Hello friends. Today we will continue with the fractions and decimal. In the last class we see the 2.6 exercise. Okay. Today we will continue with 2.6, in which we are going to study the multiplication of decimal numbers. Okay, decimal numbers, you know that one decimal place, one or more decimal place will be there. Okay, let's see. Okay, how to do the sums. Okay, here first one it is find 0.2 into 6. Okay, that is here the 0.2 is a decimal and 6 is an integer. Okay, so how to multiply it? Now here one thing you must have to understand that, okay, you have to find that in which number actually how many decimal places are there. Okay, so here you know that it is of 0.2. Okay, in 0.2, okay, how many decimal places are there? We can say 1 decimal places are there. Okay, okay, 1, okay, decimal place. Okay, 1 decimal is there. Now what to do is, okay, now first you have to multiply 0.2 into 6. Okay, for that, okay, you can multiply the 2, first 2 into 6. What is 2 into 6 is? You know that it is of 12. Correct? Now how many decimal place? You know that it is 1 decimal place. So from, okay, right it to left, okay, you shift it. Here it is 1, here it is 2. So here 1 decimal place means after 1 you put the point. Understand? So the answer is what it will come? Okay, 1.2, like that it will come. So it is quite easy. Correct? So first you have to find how many decimal places are there. So only 1 decimal place is there. Then what you have to do is you have to just multiply it. Okay, correct? Okay, that is 2, 6 are 12. Then from, okay, right to left, what you have to do? You have to shift 1 decimal place to. Okay, that is 1.2. So in simply while doing it, you can do it 0.2 into 6 is equal to what it is, 1.2. Answer is that much only. Sure. So like that it is. Now the next one, let's see. Okay, now next one, second one it is. Okay, it is 8 into, okay, 4.6. Now here while telling about the 4.6, there also you can see that only 1 decimal place is there. Okay, now what you do? First you multiply, okay, 46 into 8. Okay, that you can do. Okay, 48. Okay, that is 6 8s are 48. Okay. And 32, 4 8s are 32, 38 to 32 plus 4 is 36, correct? So the answer, now here how to do, look, 8 into 4.6 is equal to, now here it is, okay, now from right to left, how many decimal is? 1. That means, okay, after 8 we have to put the point, that is 36.8 will come. Understand? Like this you have to do. Easy? Okay, now the next one also let's see. Okay, here the third one, it is 2.71, okay, into 5, correct? Now the first you have to multiply 271 into 5. Okay, now it is 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, correct? 3, okay, 10, 13. Okay, so now here it is, how many decimal places are there? While counting you can understand that 2 decimal places are there, correct? Then from left to right, how many decimal places to be shifted? 2. Okay, after 2 we have to put the point. So the answer is, okay, here it is 2.71, okay, into 5 is equal to, what you will write, 13.55. Okay, like this you will write. Sure? Understand it well? Okay, we can go to the other sum. Okay, then you put the, actually these are the things only, what you have to do is, you have to do this much only. Okay, these are the understanding. Okay, so this much direct you can answer, you can write, the multiplication you have to show. Understand? Okay, then we will go to the next sum. Okay, here it is, okay, 20.1, okay, into 4. Now here also what you will do, 2, 0, 1 into 4 you have to do, 4, 0, 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now how many decimal places are there? 20.1. That is one decimal place is there. Correct? Only one decimal place. So from here you have to shift 1 after 1. That is here. So it is 20.1 into 4 is equal to 80.4. Like that to do. Correct? So like that. Okay, we have to do. Now the next is, okay, 0.05 into 7, correct? Now here it is, what do you do? These 7 5s are 35, so answer is 35. Now while 7 5s are 35, it is 5 7s are, it is 35. Now how many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places are there. So left to right 2, that is 1, 2. So here the point will come, correct? After point, now any place is there? Not there. So you have to put 0 there, okay? So here it is not in the other, that is in the final answer, okay? So 0.05 into 7 is equal to 0.35. Why did you put this 0? Because there were no numbers, okay? That's why. Sure? Understand? Okay, we can move to the other. Yes. Okay, then the next one. Okay, in the next one. Okay, here it is, look. It is of 211, okay, into, sorry, point. Point 02. Okay, into 4. Now here also what you have to do? 21102. By removing the point, you have to multiply. Don't worry about the point here, why I am multiplying. Okay, then 4 2s are 8, 0, 4, 4, 4 2s are 8. Now how many decimal places are there? Here the 2 decimal places are there. So from here, how many? After 2, okay, decimal place, you have to put the point. So the answer is, okay, 211.02 into 4 is equal to 844.08. Correct? Like this you have to do. Okay, so this is the answer. Understand? Okay, the next is, okay, here it is of 2 into 0.86. Now you know that you have to multiply 86 into 2. Okay, so it is of 12, 1, okay, it is of 16, that is 17. How many decimal places are there? 2 decimal places are there, correct? So here you have to shift 2 decimal place, after that the point to be given. So the answer is 2 into 0.86 is equal to 1.72. Okay, so this is the answer. Got it? Fine? Okay, then the next one. Okay, here it is. Okay, find the area of the rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Let's see. Now it is a rectangle is given. You know that area of a rectangle. Okay, what is area of a rectangle is? Area of a rectangle. What is area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Correct? Here length is equal to 5.7. Correct? Okay, and a centimeter, and breadth is equal to, what is breadth is 3 centimeter. Okay, so area is equal to, okay, length into breadth, so which is equal to 5.7 into, what it is, 3. Okay, so which is equal to, what to do? You have to 57 into 3, correct? Okay, 21, 2, okay, 15, that is 70. How many decimal places are there? 1 decimal place. So here it is, point will come after 1, correct? Here it will come. So it is of 17.1. It is of area, so it will become centimeter square. Therefore, what we can say? We can say that, okay, area, okay, of the rectangle is, what it is, 17.1 centimeter square or square centimeter. Sure? Understand it well? Okay, like this we have to do. Okay? You can do it. Okay, what you do is you take the screenshot and do and practice again and again. Fine, friends? You understand it well? Okay. Then today we will stop.